Hi guys, good evening to all of you. Welcome to today's session. And in today's session, let us see the latest blueprint of SSC Physical Science for the academic year 2021 and 22. So you can see here General Science. This year we have only one paper. We call it as General Science. In General Science, it comes under physical science as well as biological science. Okay, in physics we have only chapter number 1, reflection of light at curved surfaces, chapter number 2, chemical equations, chapter number 3, acids, bases and salts, chapter number 4, refraction of light at curved surfaces, chapter number 5, human eye and colorful world, chapter number 6, structure of atom, chapter number 7, classification of elements, the periodic table, 8th chapter deleted, and 9th chapter electric current, 10th chapter deleted, 11th chapter principles of metallurgy, and 12th chapter also they deleted. Here 8th chapter is chemical bonding, 10th chapter magnetic effects of electric current, electromagnetism, and 12th chapter carbon and its compounds. That three chapters are being deleted. And if you observe here the blueprint, section A, part A 30 marks and part B 10 marks. In part A, under part A we have three sections: section 1, section 2, section 3. In section 1, out of 6 questions, only 3 questions are to be answered. Each question carries 2 marks. 3 into 2, 6 marks. That is question number 1 to 6. You can observe here physical science model paper. Read the instructions carefully. Read the question paper carefully and understand. Answer the questions under part A in the answer sheet provided. Write the answers to the questions under part B in the space provided and attach it to the part A answer sheet. Part A contains 3 sections. Write the answers following in instruction given in each section. So section 1, answer any 3 questions. Write the answers in 1 to 2 sentences. Each question carries 2 marks. They have given here question number 1 to question number 6. Totally 6 questions are given. Out of 6 questions, only 3 questions to be answered. 3 into 2, 6 marks. That is section 1. Now coming to section 2, they are going to give only 4 questions. Out of 4 questions, only 2 questions are to be answered. Each question carries 4 marks. 2 into 4, 8 marks. That is from question number 7 to 10. If you observe here, section 2, answer any 2 of the following questions. Write the answers in 4 to 5 sentences. Each question carries 4 marks. They have given 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Out of 4 questions, we need to answer only 2 questions. 2 into 4, that is equal to 8 marks. Coming to section 3, here also out of 4 questions, we need to answer only 2 questions. This is long answers questions. Write the answers in 8 to 12 sentences. Each question carries 8 marks. Out of 4 questions, we need to answer 2 questions. 2 into 8, that is equal to 16 marks. So this is part A. Consists of 3 sections: section 1, section 2, section 3. Totally 16, section 3 8, section 2 16 plus 8 24, and section 1 is 6 marks, total 30 marks. Coming to part B, here part B consists of 10 marks. Answer all the questions, choose the correct answers from the given options, and write the corresponding letter in the capital letters in the space provided. Each question carries 1 mark. Marks will not be given for the overwriting, rewriting and arranged answers. Totally they are going to give 10 questions, 10 MCQs, multiple choice questions. We need to answer all 10 questions So each question carries 1 mark. So this is about part B. So part A 30 marks, that is called subjective, and part B we call it as objective, 10 marks. So this is about our paper pattern of physical science. Totally physical science consists of 40 marks, children. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like it and share it to your friends. Thanks a lot, children.